Is your reading for today. Some major illusions are breaking down in your life. And what is this related to? This is related to your idea of what happiness looks like. So, how did you come to this place is that you were able to do it. You were in a place where you were able to do lots of things for other people and you felt very happy doing it. So let me do that for that person first and then my own thing will come later, and you kept doing it, and this is how it starts actually, and there is no harm if you are able to do it. But what happened down the line was that when you did these things for other people and put yourself last, there were all these compliments that came your way, appreciation, admiration, that wow, we are so inspired by you, and how do you manage to do all this? And it's less what the other people were saying, but gradually you started developing an idea of what happiness is, putting yourself last and putting others first because of all that admiration and love that came your way. And an idea started developing that this is happiness and this is the kind of happiness that I want. And you started believing in that idea. But you know what it was? It was like a curtain over what you actually wanted. That is the illusion that is breaking, because that was not true. What has caused this illusion to break? This idea of happiness that you were creating, somewhere down the line, it has cost you your peace of mind, it has cost you your looks. There's this message from the tarot today that you were possibly a person who loved to dress up in a certain manner. When you looked at yourself in the mirror, you were very happy to see the way you looked. But in this doing things and putting myself last, your dressing up, the way you presented yourself, the way you carried yourself, all that became a hurried affair. It's like, okay, let me just get all along with this. And one day you stood in front of the mirror and you looked at yourself and you really saw that, where am I? The way I wanted to look, the way I wanted to present myself, where is this person lost? And that has caused this illusion to break. A big major shift in your life. You are changing your definition of happiness and what you want in life. Finally, you have grown a spine, and as harsh it may sound, yes, you have grown a spine and you have started to stand up for yourself and create the happiness that you really wanted. Now somebody associated with you has seen you as now really inspired by the true you, and they are making small little changes in their life too.